guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading!
Having been busy with the kindergarten opening these days, I feel so tired. I feel I grow fatter. My belly becomes bigger. I better take more exercises. Picture breast. Okay, guys, this is chapter 201. 1-1. Time for dinner. Well, okay. Feeling lonely. Right, it's dinner time. They have fish, veggies. I think that's meat. I made fish soup today. You've worked hard these days. I think she doesn't like to eat fish. Rich. Oh, I guess she's pregnant. You think so, guys? What's wrong? Nothing. It smells fishy. Of course, because it's fish. Sama na siya, eh. Siyempre, amoy isda yan eh. Are you alright? Oh, cute talaga nila pag chibi sila. Parang binalik to. Ito yung picture nung nakaraan ah. Yes, I'll have some fruits and vegetables. Munch, 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 munch. It tastes very good. Hindi ba masarap na gulay? Wala kumakain. Buntis siya tapos gulay yung gusto niya. Di ba mahilig siya sa meat? Diba? Gihinala na si Baidi. Ba talaga manghinala to si Baidi? I guess I'm tired and weak. I'll go to bed early. Yeah. Tamo to, diba? Pag pantulog niya, super close, damit na damit siya, balot na balot pag pantulog. Pero pag daily basis naman, ang sexy, ewan ko ba? Oh. Shuang Yin? Shuang Yin. Nangaakit na naman si Shuang Yin. Ano na ang problema mo? See you. Tatakpo to. Why do you leave as soon as you see me? Katsa, huli ka. Si Shuang Yin pa yung inanuhan mo, tinakbuhan mo. Miss Lin? Miss Lin 11. Napaka-sensual naman ni Shuang Yin ngayon. Full of goosebumps. Ayan na naman. Diyan ka magaling eh. Be serious, okay? Lagot ka. Miss Lin, can I sleep with you tonight? Ayan na naman yung sleep na yan. 4 hours ka pa naman bago matapos. No, I'd like to sleep alone tonight. O diba? Seryoso yan siya. Ayaw niyang tumabi. Every time when Baidi or Shuangyan sleeps with me, they would use various means and make me exhausted. Yung mukha ni Baidi. Kawawang 1-1. Miss Lin, please. I promise I won't do anything else. I don't want to sleep with you. I can't bear your sexual intercourse all night. You disgusting sex maniac. You may sleep with me. I'll teach him a lesson. Anong lesson naman yung nalalaman mo, ha? Really? Yes, really. Let's play a game. Lie down. Dun, dun, dun. What's that game? Okay, I'll do what you want me to do. Sige na, umiga ka na para matapos na. Mamadali naman siyang humiga. Excited yarn. One, I'm ready. What are you going to do? Ready? Parang scary si One, yun na. Ready. The game is about to start. Ano yan? Anong gagawin? Is this okay? What the game are going to play? I'll tie your hands and feet before playing the game. Oh, tie me on the bed. You can struggle to free yourself. It sounds exciting. I love it. Yeah, I'll listen to you. One, you tied me too tight. You keep climbing up and down, making me cut the crap. One, why did you cover my eyes? Russell, cover the eyes. Taling-tali. I can see. Has the game begun? Don't be anxious. It'll begin soon. It gives me a big thrill suddenly. It must be interesting if I can make Shuang Yin cry. Uh-oh, what will happen? Nakatali talaga siya, oh. This wolf looks handsome only when he keeps his mouth shut. Touch. Sinisensual mo. Iwanan niya siguro to, no? It's a pity that he's so talkative. Talkative yan. Kiss. Kiss me. Ay, naku. Mandar na naman. Aba. One, you are kissing me. Shut up. Keep quiet. Don't be such a killjoy. Grunt. Lagot ka ngayon, Shuang Yin. Oh. Killing me softly, sensually. I feel so hot. One, untie me. O bakit nasa gilid na yan? Di ba magkaano yung dalawang kamay? I want. I'm tired and sleepy. Let's go on tomorrow. Dinulugan. One, don't sleep. The game hasn't finished yet. Wow, ang Sean yun. Tinulugan ka. This game is not fun. I want to sleep. Good night. Kawawa. How cruel you are. It'll kill me if you leave me alone till morning. Tomorrow morning. One. Good night. Turn over. Wala na, tinalikuran. Bang. Sinong pumasok? Ba't puro muscles yan? 1-1? Natanggal niya yung tali. Patay ka ngayon. Natanggal yung tali. Are you joking me? You broke the tick rope yourself? Oy, he's not a shift for nothing, no? Of course, he can cut it. 1-1. Ay. Ay. Oh, wait. Oh no, I can't wait any longer. Yan na naman tumapusok na to. Lagot ka. Ay, sinira yung damit ni 1-1. Talaga to si Shuang Yun ay. Thump. Ay. Sira yung pinto. Kawawang pintuan. Lift him. Ibang lift. Sa ulo hinawakan.
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye!